Hello boys and girls, and welcome to ALD time. Now we are going to do some writing today. So if you have your paper that looks like this, only much smaller, like this, like you guys have this paper, an area to draw and a place to write, we're going to need that today and something to write with. First we're going to go over what exactly do I want you to write, and we need to do some brainstorming, right? So we have a bunch of spelling words this week, and we practiced writing them and drawing pictures of them, right? So let's go over these words first, and then we're going to brainstorm about some ideas that we can do, that we can use to write our sentences today, okay? So we're going to brainstorm in just a moment. First, let's go over our words. We have H-O-G, hog. We have H-O-T, hot. We have L-O-G, log. T-O-P, top. H-O-P, hop. L-O-T, lot. F-O-G, fog. P-O-T, pot. F-L-O-P, flop. And M-O-P, mop. So we have these 10 words: hog, hot, log, top, hop, lot, fog, pot, flop, and mop. Now, our brainstorming is when we come up with ideas for what we're going to write. And we could start with any of these. Now, my challenge for you is to write a sentence, or write sentences using all of these words, right? So you could write 10 sentences, you could write 7, you could write 6, if you could use all those words. That's the challenge. What I want you to do is write at least 5. Okay, so you have to write at least 5 if you can do more, or if you can use more than one word in a sentence. Do that. Do that, okay? But I'd like you to write 5. The challenge is to write as many as you can. Do some writing today, huh? Until you start to get a little bit, our wrist starts to get a little bit sore. Now, I don't want you to get your wrist to get sore, but I do want you to practice your writing. And remember, if you don't know how to spell something, I don't want you to get stuck on it and then forget about what you were writing. What I want you to do is say that word very slowly. Say it very slowly. Then write down every sound that you hear. All right? You just write down the sounds that you hear, underline it, and then you're off to the next word. Don't waste too much time on one word trying to get it perfect. I want you to practice your writing right now, okay? Not necessarily spelling, okay? So let's take a look. What could I do with hog, or hot, or log, top, hop, lot, fog, pot, flop, mop? You know what I'm going to do? This is the one that started me off thinking about something. I was looking at all these and kind of drawing a blank, and then I got to pot, and I go, you know what? Flower. We drew a flower when we did our spelling word drawing. So that's the one I'm going to do. So we have flower and pot, right? So I can say, I put my flower in a pot. It's kind of a long sentence. I'm going to do it right here so you guys can see. I put my flower in a pot. So here we go. First, we start off right here. We have a capital starting it off. I. Right? put, P-U-T, my, M-Y, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. Almost ran out of room there, huh? I put my flower in. Now, even though this is a new sentence, you are not going to make it a capital because this is a new line. It's not a new sentence. So you're going to keep this lowercase. It's not starting a new sentence. I put my flower in, I-N, a pot, P-O-T. And don't forget our period here at the end. So, a couple things we did. We capitalized the first letter in the sentence, making sure we are spacing in between every word. When we have to drop down a line, it doesn't mean we have to capitalize the first letter again. No, if it's still part of your same sentence, you keep it lowercase. In a pot. I have my period at the end, and now I have one sentence. And you are going to write at least 5 sentences, and you can use this one. So if you want to use this one, you already have one. The next thing you do is draw a picture of one of your sentences. Okay, after you have all your sentences complete, draw a picture up here of whatever it is, whatever sentence it is that you want. So I'm going to draw a quick picture. I'm going to draw a couple lines about there. There. Another curved line like that. Now you don't have to draw this, but I'm going to draw it. And another curved line here at the bottom, just like that. Let me get this. Draw a stem coming up. Maybe another one coming this way. Just like that. Now I'll complete my pot here. There. Now maybe we're going to draw inside here. I'll make the stem come down just a little bit further. There. Looks good. Now, I'm going to make a cool little flower over here. There. Now, you don't have to draw that flower, but I just want to show you that I want you guys to draw a picture too. Do your sentence, draw your picture. And I can't wait to see them, right? So at least 5 sentences, but the challenge is to use every word and write as many sentences as you can. Remember, if you want to use mine, you can, but you don't have to. All right, boys and girls, we'll see you next time. Happy writing.